Good evening, children. Today we are going to the concept time and distance. Already we discussed them in classroom, the concepts. Now I am going to the problems. Okay, first 21. The ratio between the speeds of two trains is 7:8. If the second train runs 400 kilometers in 4 hours, then the speed of first train. Here they given the ratio of the speeds of two trains. So first train is to second train. They given 7:8. So we can take first one as 7x and the second one as 8x. Speed of first one 7x, speed of second one 8x. But they given the second train runs 400 kilometers in 4 hours. So the distance is 400 kilometers and time is 4 hours. So for second train, distance is 400 kilometers and time is 4 hours. So we can calculate the speed of second train. The speed equal to distance by time. So distance is 400 kilometers, time is 4 hours. Means 100 kilometers per hour. That is the speed. But according to our sum, the speed of the second train is 8x. So 8x equal to 100, then x equal to 100 by 8. Means 8 1 are 8, 8 2 are 16.5. That is x value. Now they are asking the speed of first train. Speed of first train means 7x. So speed of first train, it is equal to 7x. It is equal to 7 into 12.5. By multiplying it, 7 5 are 35.14 plus 3, 17, 8. 87.5 kilometers per hour. That is speed of second train. First train, 87.5 kilometers per hour. That is the first sum. First they gave it a ratio 7:8. Take the first speed of first train as 7x, speed of second train as 8x. But given second train is traveling 400 kilometers in 4 hours, so we can calculate this speed. Then we got 100 kilometers, but according to our assume that speed of second train is 8x. So is equal to 100, then x equal to 12.5. Then we can measure the speed of first train. It is equal to 87.5 kilometers per hour. And next, question number 22. A man covers at a certain distance by car driving at 30 meters per hour and he returns back to the starting point riding on a scooter at 20 meters per hour. Find his average speed for the whole journey. First he is going in a car at the speed of 30 meters per hour and he is coming back on a scooter at the speed of 20 meters per hour. Now they are asking average of the speed for whole journey. Here we have to observe it. They not given time and also distance, but they given only speed of the car and speed of the scooter. So let the distance as x. Distance equal to d. Take it as d. Now speed of the car, first while he is going, then speed of the car is given as 30 meters per hour. So the speed is 30 meters per hour. And then we can calculate the time. Okay, we know that time equal to speed equal to distance by time. Then time equal to distance by speed. So distance by speed. Distance is d, speed is 30. That is time. This is for going to a place in the car. Okay, and next he came back. He came back means he traveled same distance. So in the second one, distance is same. Distance equal to d only. But he came back on a scooter. Its speed is given as 20 meters per hour. So time, we can measure the time. The time is distance by speed, means d by 20. That is time. Now he is asking in the given question. Now in the question they are asking the average speed for the whole journey. Average speed. So we have to calculate average speed for whole journey. So for whole journey means total distance. It is first distance is d and came back same distance. So d plus d, that is 2d. And total time, first time is d by 30 and second one is d by 20. Then taking that one average, it is 60. So 2d plus 3d equal to 5d by 60, means d by 12. That is total time. Now you got total distance, total time. Then total speed means the average speed on the whole journey. So total speed equal to we know that distance by time. Distance is 2d by time, d by 12. That equals 2d by, we can fraction by fraction means we can write it as, we can write reciprocal. 2d into 12 by d. dd cancel, 12 2s are 24. So the total speed means average speed. It's not called as total, it's called as average. Average speed is equal to 24 kilometers per hour. That is, but see this, here first I took the distance as d and speed they given, calculated time, and second also I did the same. But after it I calculated total distance and total time. After it we got average speed 24. But without doing this all, we have a shortcut formula, that is 2xy by x plus y. Here x and y are the speeds. So the formula, remember the formula, it is a shortcut way, 2xy by x plus y. That is 2 into first speed 30 into second speed 20 by x plus y, 30 plus 20. It's equal to 2 into 30 into 20 by 50. 0 0 cancel, 5 1 jar, 5 6 jar, 2 6 jar 12, 12 2 jar 24. In a simple way we can do using the shortcut. The formula is to find the average speed. The formula is 2xy by x plus y. This is the short method. Okay. Next question number 23. See that walking 4 by 5 walking 4 by 5 of his usual speed. A person is 6 minutes late to this office. Find his usual time to cover the distance. See once again a small one. Walking 4 by 5 of his usual speed. That means a person has actual speed, some speed. Okay. In that one, if he walked 4 by 5 of that speed, a person is 6 minutes late to his office. Now he is asking find the usual speed, okay, to cover the distance. So here you can notice one, the distance is same, but time he decreased his time speed, so he is coming 6 minutes late. So here see once, first I am taking the distance. Okay, here they said usual speed and he is asking find his usual time to cover the distance. He is asking usual time. So time, take the time, usual time is normal time, regular time. Take the time as some x. Then his speed, he has some speed. So take it his speed as some s. Then we can calculate the distance. So distance equal to speed into time. That equals s into x. X. Okay. And next, in the second situation, he said the time is he came to his office by 6 minutes late. 6 minutes late ante general, for example, our school time is 9 o'clock. If you came 10 minutes late means you will come. You came to the school at 9:10. 10 minutes late means the time will be 10 minutes more to the actual time. So in the same way here the actual time is x. So 6 minutes late means the time will be x plus 6. And in this time the speed is 4 by 5 of is the actual speed. So 4 by 5 into actual speed. It is equal to 4s by 5. Actual speed. Now here the distance, if you calculate the distance is speed into time. 4s by 5 into x plus 6. That is distance. Now you can notice one thing. Here the distance you calculated, it is from his office, home to office. This is also home to office. Both are same. So equaling the both, we will get 4s by 5 of x plus 6 is equal to s into x. Both sides s's cancel. Now transport the by 5 to that side. Then 4 of x plus 6 is equal to 5x. Simplifying it, 4x plus 4 6 24 is equal to 5x. Transport the 4x to that side. 24 equal to 5x minus 4x. Therefore, x equal to 24. That is x value. X means actual time, is usual time. It is 24 minutes. So the answer is 24 minutes. That is okay. So once again see that I took actual time as x, speed as s. I calculated the distance. Next he said 6 minutes late. 6 minutes late means we have to add the 6 minutes. Okay. Then speed, it is 4 by 5 of usual speed they said. So it is. Now I calculated the distance. But both distances are same. It is from office, house to office. So equaling the both and simplifying it, you got the x value as 24. It is usual time. That's all. That is 23. Now come to 24. This is The ratio between the speed of two trains is 5:7. If the first train covers 300 kilometers in 3 hours, then speed of the second train. It is just like the previous question number 21. There also they said ratio, they given ratio, and they said about second train and asked the speed of first train. Now they are asking, they gave same ratio 5:7, and they given speed of first distance and time for first train. Equaling it, you will get the answer. Same model. The ratio is 5:7 for first train. They given distance is 300 kilometers and time is 3 hours. So its value is 100, means speed is 100 kilometers, but according to this ratio it is 5x. So 5x equal to 100, x equal to 20. Then speed of second train, that is 7x, means 7 into 20. It is 140. So 140 kilometers per hour. It is 140 kilometers per hour. Just like the 21 sum. Next. In a race, the speeds of A and B are in the ratio 3:4. A takes 30 minutes more than B to reach the target. Then time taken by A to reach the target is. Here also they given ratio, but they not said the speed of any one, just like the 21 or 24. In 21 question they given speed of second train, and in 24 question they given speed of first train. But here they not given the speed of the both, but they said A takes 30 minutes more than B. That means they given the difference between the A and B about the time, 30 minutes time they said. Okay, so ఇక్కడ ఒకసారి చూస్తే, for example, if you got 30 marks more than your friend, means you got 30 marks more. So for example, if your marks are your friend marks are 70 marks, then you got 30 marks more, means 100 marks. So in the same way, you can observe there, you can observe, you can write the equation as your marks is equal to your friend marks plus 30. You can write like that. Otherwise the difference between you and your friend, it is also 30. నీకు 100 మార్క్స్ వచ్చాయి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్కి 70 వచ్చాయి. సో డిఫరెన్స్ 30 మార్క్స్ అలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు. అలాగే ఇక్కడ A takes 30 minutes more than B means the difference between A and B is 30 minutes in timings. Okay, and see that, come back once again, they given the ratio of speeds, and okay, and here they not discussed about the distance. So they said only one to reach the target, means distance is constant. So first of all they given the ratio 3:4. A and B ratio is 3:4. So let the speed of A is 3x and distance is same, so distance is D. Then we can calculate time. Time equal to, we know that time equal to distance by speed. Distance equal to speed into time. Then time equal to distance by speed. So distance is D only, by speed is 3x. And next, if you take B, is speed is 4x and distance same D, and time is D by 4x. Now they said the difference between their both is A 30 minutes. They only said A takes 30 minutes more than B, means A takes more time. Okay, so the difference between the both timings is 30 minutes. So D by 3x minus D by 4x is equal to 30 minutes. Here you can notice one thing. These are all in kilometers per hour, but this is in minutes. So convert it into hours. For it, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So divide it by 60. Now taking LCM, the LCM is 12x. 3x goes 4 times, 4d minus, it is 3x 3 times. So 3d is equal to 30 by 60, means 1 by 2. Then 3d minus 4d minus 3d is d. d by 12x equal to 1 by 2. d by 12x equal to 1 by 2. Now transpose the 12x to that side. Then d equal to 1 by 2 into 12x. 2 6 jar. So d equal to 6x. That is. Now they are asking the time taken by A to reach the target. So time taken by A. This is the time taken by A to reach the target. So the time is equal to d by 3x. So d value already we calculated as 6x. So time equal to d by 3x means 6x by 3x is equal to 2 hours. So time taken by A to reach the target is 2 hours. So see once again, first they given the ratio. So I took ratio of the speeds. So I took them as 3x and 4x. Distance as d only. I calculated the time. They said the difference between the times is 30 minutes. So 30 by 60. Then simplifying it, I got d equal to 6x. Now they are asking time taken by train A. So d by 3x. Then d by 3x means it is 2 hours. So that is the sum. Next. 26. A bus covers a certain distance going at a speed of 48 kilometers per hour and returns to the starting point at a speed of 42 kilometers per hour. Find the average speed of the whole journey. Just in the previous one I said to you, I said the shortcut also. That is 2xy by x plus y. So here x value is 48 and y value is 42. So by using the formula 2xy by x plus y, it is equal to 2 into 48 into 42 by 48 plus 42. That is 2 into 48 into 42 by 90. By doing the simplification, 2 3 table, 3 1 jar, 3 4 jar, 3 30 jar. Again 2 table, 2 15 jar. Again 3 table, 3 5 jar, 3 1 jar, 3 6 jar. So 16 4 jar. 16 14 jar. Two 24 by 5. It is equal 5 4 jar 20 and again 5 4 jar 0.8. That is average speed 44.8 kilometers per hour. By using the shortcut 44.8 kilometers per hour. Next 27. A boy sitting in a train noticed that he can count 21 telephone posts in 1 minute. If the distance between two posts is 50 meters, then what is the speed of train in which the boy is sitting? A nice question and logical question. A boy sitting in a train noticed that he can count 21 telephone posts in 1 minute. So in the 1 minute time, he can count 21 telephone posts. And also they said the distance between two poles is 50 meters. Here a small question before saying this. For example, is in the same way, if the distance between two poles is 15 meters, then what is the distance between three poles? Before doing this sum, a small question, that is, if the distance between two poles are there, distance between two poles is 50 meters, then what is the distance between three poles? So three poles means some members will think that two poles distance 50, so three poles means 50 into 3, like that some members will be do, and some will do as between two poles 50 and one pole it is 25, and then three poles 25 into 3. Some members will do like this. It's completely wrong, because between one pole there is no distance. So taking this one is completely wrong. Okay, and multiplying with 33, that's also wrong. See that this is one pole, second pole, third pole. Three poles are there. Distance between these two poles is 50. Distance between these two poles is another 50. Then distance between three poles, it is 100. If you take another one, its distance is 50. So distance between four poles is 50. If you take another pole, distance between 5 poles now, it is also 50. This is 50. Then you can notice one thing, distance between 3 poles, it is 100, means 50 into 2. If you take distance between 4 poles up to here, 4 poles, it is 50, 50, 50. So 53 jar it is. If you take distance between 5 poles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 poles, that is 50 plus 50, 100 plus 50, 150 plus 50, 200. So if you take 5 poles, it is 50 into 4 only. You can notice the logic. Okay, if there are 3 poles, we are multiplying with 2. If there are 4 poles, we are multiplying with 3. If there are 5 poles, we are multiplying with 4. So now in this question, he said he can count 21 telephone poles. So the distance between the 21 poles is 50 into 20 only, according to this one. Okay, it's a logical one. Then the value is equal to 1000 meters. They said the distance is in meters. So 1000 meters. That is distance. And also he only said he can count that 21 poles in 1 minute. In 1 minute. So here the distance is 1000 meters and time is 1 minute. 1 minute means 60 seconds. Then speed equal to distance by time. Then 1000 by 60. 0, 0 cancel. 2, 3 jar, 250 jar. So 50 by 3 meters per second. That is. Okay. But they are asking, they given the options in kilometers per hour. So convert the 50 by 3 meters per second into kilometers per hour. Already we discussed it in the classroom. That is, we have to, if you want to convert into meters per into kilometers per hour, then we have to multiply by 18 by 5. 3 6 jar, 5 10 jar. 60 kilometers per hour. That is speed of the train. Here a logic thing is this one. If you take 3 poles, the distance is 100. If you take 4 poles, the distance is 50 into 3. If you take 5 poles, distance is 50 into 4. So we have to decrease 1 because for this starting one there is no distance. In the same way, 21 poles means we have to multiply with 20 only. So you got a distance and time is also there given. We can calculate speed. That is the sum. And next, 28. I walk a certain distance and ride back, taking a total time of 37 minutes. I walk a certain distance and ride back, taking a total time 37 minutes. I could walk both ways in 56 minutes. How long would it take me to ride both ways? See that some distance is there. In that he walked some distance and ride by a bike that remaining distance. The total time taken is 37 minutes. They given. Okay, and also they said I could walk both ways in 56 minutes. Means from to here to here and here to here. If we walk the total by walking only, it takes 56 minutes. Then he is asking if he ride total both ways on the bike, then how much time he will take. That is the question. So here simply will take by walk as W, by ride as R. So if you take like this, in the first situation he walked some distance and he ride the remaining distance. So walked plus ride, for it total time 37 minutes. Okay, and next if you took second condition, he walked both ways in 56 minutes. Means first way walking, second way also walking. It is 56 minutes. That implies 2W is equal to 56, W equal to 28. Substituting the value in the first equation, W plus R equal to 37. Then 28 plus R equal to 37. Then R equal to 37 minus 28. Then R equal to 9. That is. Now they are asking, if he ride both ways, then what time he will take? So both ways by riding means R plus R is equal to 9 plus 9 equal to 18 minutes. That is the sum. So two ways are there. In the first he walked some one way and ride second way in 37 minutes. And the second time he walked both ways in 56 minutes. So I calculated the time for walking one way. After it, by substituting the value in the first equation, you got how much time taken by him for riding. Now to both ways riding, so 9 plus 9, 18 minutes. That is the sum. Next, 29. A man is jogging at a speed of 9 kilometers per hour. See it, a nice question. A man is jogging at a speed of 9 kilometers per hour. After every kilometer, he takes rest for 9 minutes. how much time he will take to cover the distance of 27 kilometers. See once again, a man can jogging at a speed of 9 kilometers per hour. Means in 1 hour he will go 9 kilometers. After every kilometer he takes rest for 9 minutes. Okay, so here see that what will happen in 1 hour. In 1 hour time he is at he is jogging 9 kilometers, but he is taking rest for 9. Every kilometer he is taking rest for 9 minutes. So 9 kilometers, for example, if he started his journey from here to here, 1 kilometer, let it is, and second kilometer, third kilometer, fourth kilometer, fifth kilometer, sixth kilometer, seventh kilometer, eighth, ninth. Okay, so in this one, first they said 9 kilometers in 9 minutes. 9 kilometers, sorry, not 9 minutes, 1 hour. For 9 kilometers, he took 1 hour time. Okay, so here from to travel this 9 kilometers, he took 1 hour. Plus here after first kilometer he took 9 minutes rest here, and next after here 9 minutes, and after 1 kilometer 9 minutes rest, after 1 kilometer 9 minutes rest, after 1 kilometer 9 minutes rest, after 1 more kilometer 9 minutes rest, here also 9 minutes rest, here 9 minutes rest, here 9 minutes rest. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 9 jar 81 minutes he took rest to travel 9 kilometers. To travel 9 kilometers. 81 minutes means already you know that 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So 1 hour plus 1 hour plus remaining 21 minutes. It is the time taken for him to go 9 kilometers. Okay, now in the question they said total 27 kilometers. So after this 9, again 9. So for the 9 kilometers also 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 21 minutes. For the next one 20 that is up to here 18 kilometers completed. For this one 9 kilometers completed. For it 9 kilometers completed means 18 completed, and in the 27 another 9 kilometers are there. But see here for the next kilometer also same 1 hour plus 1 hour plus here not 21 minutes, because after completing the 27th kilometer here, after completing the 9 kilometer he took rest, but at last after completing the 27th kilometer no need to take the rest, so it will be reduced. Then it becomes as 21 minus 9, it is 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Then counting it 1 hour 1 hour 1 hour 1 hour 1 hour 1 hour, so total 6 hours plus 42 minutes plus 12, it is 54 minutes. That is, so it took totally 6 hours 54 minutes. Six hours 54 minutes. So check once again. For 9 kilometers 1 hour. In the middle for every kilometer 9 minutes. 9 9 9 9 like that. Okay, so totally 1 hour plus 9 9 are 81 minutes, means 2 hours 21 minutes. And the same way second for the next 9 kilometers. Same way for the next 9 kilometers, but at last he is not taking rest because after that jogging completed he will go. So no need to take the rest. That is. So total timing is 6 hours 54 minutes. That's all. Next. Question number 30. Ram and Rahim standing at a distance of 680 meters run towards each other at a speed of 8 meters per second and 9 meters per second respectively. After how long will they meet? See that once again. Ram and Rahim standing at a distance of 680 meters run towards each other at a speed of 8 meters per second and 9 meters per second respectively. After how long will they meet? So here you can see that they will meet. Okay, and also he is they will meet. Okay, see once again. Ram and Rahim standing at a distance of 680 meters run. Okay, they are standing of 680 meters at a distance of 680 meters. Means the total distance is 680 meters. One person is Ram is at here and another person Rahim is at here. They are running okay towards each other. అంటే తను ఇటు పరిగెత్తున్నాడు, తను ఇటు పరిగెత్తున్నాడు. హిజ్ స్పీడ్ ఈస్ గివెన్ యాజ్ 8 kilometers per hour. 8 minutes per second. His speed is 9 minutes per second. Okay, at some time they will meet at one place. Okay, to meet that place, let the time taken is t. Let the time taken to meet is t. Then in this time t, Ram run some distance and Rahim also run some distance. So in the time, how much distance they run? First we have to calculate. So for Ram, the distance equal to speed into time. So speed is 8 meters per second into time it is as, let it as t seconds. So 8t meters he will travel, Ram. And Rahim is also running. So for Rahim, the distance is 9 into t, speed into time. So 90 meters. So this is the distance traveled by Ram and Rahim. So he traveled, for example, Ram traveled 8t and Rahim run 90. Then total this one. But according to our sum, the total is given as 680 meters. So 8t plus 90 is equal to 680 meters. It is 17t equal to 680 meters. Then t equal to 680 by 17. 17 4 0. So the time is 40 seconds. Means they will meet after 40 seconds. Check once again the sum. Just I took that time as t. Then in the t seconds time, Ram runs some distance, Rahim also runs some distance. I calculated the distance, but the total distance is 680 they said. By equaling it, we will get the answer. That is. Next, last one, the time and distance. Neha leaves her home at 8 a.m. and reaches school at 8:30 a.m. The distance between his home to school is 54 kilometers. What is her speed in meters per second? So here you can see that first time she leaves her home at 8 a.m. and reaches school at 8:30 a.m. So the time taken to travel the distance is half an hour. Means the time is equal to half an hour. Means 30 minutes. 30 minutes means 30 into 60 seconds. Means 1800 seconds. That is the time. And distance, they only said the distance is 54 kilometers. 54 kilometers means 54,000 meters. Why I am converting into meters and seconds means they asked the speed in meters per second. So I converted these minutes into seconds and kilometers into meters. Therefore, speed equal to distance by 10. 15,000 by 1800. 2 zeros cancel. 18 3s are 0. So, the speed is 30 meters per second. That's all. They are the sums about distance and time. And here you can see the question number 44 and question 46 and 47. The two are also about time and distance. Oh sorry, here also some are there. 41, 42, 43, 44, 46, 47. So they are also related to time and distance. So try them. Try the questions. All are same model questions. Okay. Thank you.